p.m. I'm making a new plan, rearrange.
Okay. It's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and get this walk around.
I got the battery on that side in the back door. We'll be able to see the blue 10K and all that stuff.
Oh, you got 10K, one pair. Which one of ones, right?
Oh, this is size 4
Those 4 scores in there, all right. That don't move all up a little bit.
got a lot of different pressure.
I hate I couldn't get a chance to do it. I know I still got another shot. Yeah.
Perfect.
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a me looking for every single time.
So I do a lot of foam.
Yeah.
And I mean, you can smack it.
There's like a wood roof in there. There's not a wood roof. Spray foam.
It's just the way I do the foam work in there.
Yeah.
I bag everything. I used to build boats.
Oh, okay, so you know how to work the fiberglass and all that old stuff. Yeah.
But I did, so this winter, I done that, my last show last year, I tore the whole truck down. Everything in the truck came out.
Yeah.
And I deadened the whole floor. I went all the way up the firewalls, come all the way through. It's all one piece of deadener from one front to the back.
From up all the way up?
All the way to the back. It's one piece of deck. It's all solid. It's all.
So it's a big piece?
No, I melted it all
Oh,
together.
oh, it's the kind you heat up?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I melted it all together.
So you had a day's work on you?
Oh, I was a lot. You know, I kept the butt out there.
You made it work though. You made it work.
But I did that, and then I moved. The batteries used to be up in the windows, and
Yeah.
I moved all that. We got rid of the back seat, and I added a third battery. And you notice my voltage stays high over 15 the whole time.
Yeah, it did.
But that's spin. I got 3 STEM 96 amp hour banks.
Yeah.
A single 370 Autotech alternator. But I'm running 4 runs of hot back, and then I've got grounds everywhere.
Plenty of
ground. I'm grounded to the chassis. I'm grounded to the frame. I'm grounded back
so
to
you
the
won't have a problem with the voltage at all.
No.
What kind of alternator you running?
It's Autotech.
Like a 400 or something?
370.
370. That's what everybody run with. I said get the 370.
Well, I mean, dollar wise, when you look at what it does at idle,
yeah.
And so when you're looking at, you know, $80 more for to go to the 400 or the 425,
might as well get this
370. I mean, it's the
good.
same. It's the same as.
And I heard they do it idle. They do about what they do over there.
And what am I doing? I'm sitting here idle.
Yeah, you ain't
with the amount of battery I've got.
Yeah.
I don't even have to run the truck.
There's a lot of it back here. What other bank is? Both of them?
All 3 banks are right there.
Okay, you got them pushed all together.
Yeah.
And they ain't very big, are they? They're just real.
I love the spin. They're tall.
You remember the Yinlong, I like it, but it's just too big.
It's a lot. It takes a lot.
Yeah.
Yinlongs just take a lot of space, but they're good.
Yeah.
They're just big and expensive.
And
those spins, I paid more for the bars
than you did the bank.
Right.
It's like that too.
And they're easy to build too.
Kind of like skill.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hadn't really ran. I just got my first bag of skill, like a little 80 ampere deal, and it's all right.
Yeah, they do pretty good.
Yeah, it's lightweight compared to what I was. It's just hard to try to move a big bank of Yinlong.
It's a lot. But that right there, those right there. I mean, I haven't had a problem, and I charge you $15.5.
I was just gonna ask you how can you go?
I can go to 16 too.
Okay, and it'll be all right.
Yeah, but
it ain't needed.
Those amps, they get juicy. You seen? I'm baby down. I mean, the worst you heard right there was 77 volts.
I was waiting on the heat to come on, but it didn't do it. You know how they heat up?
I kept them under 250.
That's on the sub.
Yeah.
So is it wired half on or?
Touch my amps.
You cutting up?
Touch my amps.
Oh man, come on now. I just want to see why everybody getting it.
If you ain't getting a Ruthless, then you wasting your money.
You wasting your money. And he's standing on it. He's standing on that quarter on,
But you see, I got them raised up off the floor a little bit.
Get that little air up on them.
They got badass fans in them, bro.
And you can't hear it.
No.
Hey,
you gotta sing. You gotta sing.
still go. You still go.
Now, you see, I got up to 265 on my subs right there.
Kept on playing. Amp, I don't see no what amp is. Which one amp right here?
Now, this is the temperature, and that's the amps.
Oh, they stayed cool the whole time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's working. Yeah. Oh yeah, boy. You wanna check that bone? It's good seeing you, bro. I'm back around.
Donnie homegrown builds.
Okay, you on TikTok and
I got TikTok, but I don't know what my name is on TikTok.
I'm gonna find you on there and somehow.
Facebook.
On Facebook. Yeah. I'm gonna tag you. I'm gonna, you know, I left my stuff down there. I'm gonna call you. Gonna be here tomorrow?
I can float this.
Oh yeah, you can have that one.
You for real?
Yeah, for sure. You gonna be here tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. All right, bro. What's up, man?
How about you?
I can't complain, man. It's a little warm this time, so we all right.
I'm changing who I am.